Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., showers capable of producing tornadoes was located near Elburn or near Canton Hills, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Elgin, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Hunley, Geneva, Campton Hills, South Elgin, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Elburn, Barrington Hills, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, Wayne, Valley View, and Lily Lake. This includes Elgin Community College, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 45 and 56. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, West